Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I am here with pattern 46 for which I have used Hobby Store Special DK yarn with color name Chili Pepper Red and its color code is 5003. This pattern requires multiples of 4 stitches. If you work as an individual project, it will require multiples of 4 plus 3 chains. Okay, let's start the pattern. So we are using trebles and DCs here, and we'll be using chains as well, and we'll be skipping stitches too. So we begin with the standing treble. I have pulled up the loop to the height of a treble. It's a US treble. Pick up, pull the yarn through this loop and behind this. Again, you need to do it one more time. Pull it through this first loop and then behind the other loop on the hook and yarn over, pull through two. So we have made a treble. This stitch is not counted and the last one is not counted in the pattern because we are having 2 extra stitches both in the swatch as well as in the blanket. So again we need to make a treble here and then work 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Then work 1 treble crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. This is a pattern repeat. 2 DC, 2 treble. So continue the pattern, 2 treble, 2 DC, 2 treble, 2 DC. That is the pattern repeat here. I shall meet you at the end. We've come to the end of the row here and the pattern ends in this stitch, not here. So whatever stitch we make here, the same we have to make in the last. We end with a treble. So the last stitch also I am going to make a treble. We have 1 extra stitch each on either side. So turn your work. The first does not count because we are going to make a DC here. Start with the DC. I am going to make a DC, that is the extra stitch here. A double crochet on the treble. Now you have to chain 2. Skip these 2 DCs and make 1 double crochet each on the next 2 trebles. Again chain 2, 1 DC each on the next 2 trebles. You skip all the DCs. You are not working any stitch on the double crochets of the previous row. You will be working only on the trebles of the previous row. So continue the pattern. I shall meet you at the end here. I have placed my last DC on the last stitch here. So this last one and this last one is not counted in the pattern. The pattern is only between the second last and the second from the beginning. So now we are going to start with a standing treble. So pull up the loop to the height of a treble, twist once, that is fine enough. If you twist twice, you may get a little difficult to work. So now all we have to do is, the small trick is yarn over, pull through this and pull behind the loop on the first loop on the hook here. So you've done twice for the as required for the treble, and the third is the yarn over, pull through 2. Now again start with the treble here. And work 2 double crochets in chain 2 space. And we worked the double crochet in the last row. So there you need to work 1 treble crochet each in each of the DCs. So in this third row, you will place 2 double crochets under the 2 chain loop or chain 2 loop, and 1 treble crochet each on each of the DCs. That is the pattern repeat for this particular row. Complete the row. I shall meet you at the end here. I've come to the end of the row here. I am completed the next row, and the pattern repeat is repeat rows 2 and 3 for the pattern if you are working further. But for the blanket, I'm going to stop here and make a DC row and get ready for the next pattern. So you can complete the DCs. You will have the same number of DCs that you started with. So there should be no problem for this particular stitch. We have already made the extra stitches in the beginning and the end. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.